In this lesson we're going to look at how to play the Foggy Dew, and let's look at the finger picking first. The four chords, a very simple song to play: A minor, E minor, C major and G major. And the finger picking pattern I'm using to play along with this is I'm picking it's in 4/4 time. I'm picking the root note of the chord with my thumb. So in the case of A minor, the root note is the 5th string open. That's A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing there is I'm picking the 5th string open with the thumb, 3rd string with my 1st finger, 1st string with my 3rd finger, and back to the 3rd string. In the case of G major, the root note is the 6th string 3rd fret. Same pattern: root note, 3rd string, 1st string, 3rd string. E minor, the root note is the 6th string open. Same pattern with the other 2 fingers. And C major, the root note is the 5th string, and it's the 3rd fret which I'm fretting here, and again the same pattern. And the strumming pattern I'm using, again same chords obviously, it's down, 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 up, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. For G major same, down, 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 up, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. E minor, C major,